That's all you hear.
That's an RS6 non-hatch. These are much great. Oh, good.
They're $52,000. I looked at one of them. I drove one at work.
And only front wheel drive. Not bad. I wanted the hard.
That might be in the show too.
Hood stack, big turbo. Sound like him with dog shit, but that's actually a hellacious truck.
Yeah, come in the outside of the mustard there, buddy.
Oh, here comes the Mustangs. Ooh, that was pretty. I was talking about the white and orange. That was a GT350. Didn't look like one though. Downside is everyone gets the fucking GT350 clips and puts them on their Flybys.
Yeah.
So you can't ever behind somebody. They finally get out of the way and then you haul ass again.
And that almost looks like college football.
This is about silver. Now look at the line, because all three of them bands are not fucking light. With a wing? And that's a fucking bag.
You know the Tesla with a wing is fun.
Is that the BRZ that whipped over?
Yeah.
Like she didn't stop looking. Got 5 hours left. Nasty. Pegs on the fucking ground. Did you hear them?
Son, he's getting low on that thing. That is amazing.
see what I'm talking about.
Oh, that Mustang that went by while you was down there. That
Moving.
Is it?
Oh, that kid is moving. On them tipsy little things though, that I would need that confidence with how fucking tipsy. Like I wouldn't need the confidence of having that, but it would feel nice. Cause them little bastards at high speeds, you dive, it just fucking just don't feel right.
Thing on the Facebook group, I didn't look at it.
Bro, he getting down with it for a fucking boozer. That was low. That is homemade.
like Miata teeth, but not correctly.
No, I mean it looked. I mean he welded. It looked like it was welded good and painted good. But it just didn't look.
If I had my hardest
Bro,
rider out here today.
Yeah, no shit. That's manhandling.
In your
that.
video.
I mean, look how quick he's fucking switched that up. That is manhandling the boost.
It's like Marks.
I like it. Well, Marks is in half.